Hi everyone. In this episode of Fast-Paced Tutorials, I am going to show you how you can create a new subscription in Microsoft Azure. In order to create a subscription, first of all, you need to have an account in Microsoft Azure. I'm not going to go through the process of creating a new account because it is super simple, but I have already created a new account and I have logged into Microsoft Azure. When you log in, you see this Welcome to Azure page. To find the subscriptions, you have a few options. For example, right now I have it here on my homepage, subscriptions. But if you don't have it here, you can just simply search for subscriptions at the top and then you'll see it here. Another option is to go through the menu and then all services. Here under general, you'll see the subscriptions. So I'll just go ahead, and if you want to have it added to your menu, you just need to click here and then it will be added as a part of your main menu. So let's just click on subscriptions. Because it is a new account, I do not have any subscriptions created, and I'm going to create one. You have different options. I'm going to create a free trial, but you also can create a pay-as-you-go, which is the standard subscription model where you pay for what you use. Let's say if you create a new virtual machine and you have it run for 5 hours, you're going to pay for the 5 hours that you've used only. That's the pay-as-you-go billing model, similar to on-demand billing model in AWS. Further, you have developer support, professional direct support, and standard support. These are basically pay-as-you-go, but on top of that, you are going to get technical support from Microsoft. If you create a pay-as-you-go subscription, you're going to get support for billing issues, payments, and things like that, but you're not going to get support for technical difficulties. So have in mind when you're creating a new account or a new subscription in Microsoft Azure. And then at the bottom, you have Azure in Open, which is a new option where you can buy services, Azure services, not from Microsoft, but from one of their partners. So I'll just go ahead and create a free trial. I'm in Canada. The country or region is pre-selected as Canada. I have to provide my personal information, first name, last name, an email address, and then a phone number. They're going to try to validate you or identify you by your phone number and also by a credit card. So I'm just going to fill up the form and then click on next. For phone verification, you have the option to have them send you a text message or even call you. I'll choose the text message here. Within 10 to 30 seconds, they're going to send you a text message with a code. So I'm going to enter it here and then click on verify code. There are some free services and products that you can use in Azure. By creating a free trial account or a free trial subscription, I would say, they're going to give you an additional $250 credit that you can use within 30 days. You can use this credit to provision virtual machines, run app services, create databases, or pretty much anything else you want. And that's again on top of all the free things and free services that Microsoft Azure provides and offers within its ecosystem. So the next step is to get verified by a credit card. So you need to have a credit card in order to create a subscription in Microsoft Azure. Even if it's going to be a free trial subscription, you still need to have a credit card, because if you go over the $250 limit, they want to be able to still charge you. So again, very basic, straightforward card holder name, card number, etc. You just fill up this form and click on next. That's what I'm going to do now. And here we are. The last step is to agree to their terms and conditions, and you have the option to choose to receive information, tips, and offers from Microsoft, which I'm not going to select at this moment. Click on sign up, and that's the end of it. And here we are. We have a new subscription created in Microsoft Azure under our account, and then it automatically navigates you to this page, Quick Start Center, where you can find some information about different services that you can provision or run in Microsoft Azure. I'm just going to go to the home, and then from there I'm going to click on subscriptions. It's going to show me that I have one active subscription here, free trial, and it's active. Now I can use this subscription to create resources. So each resource that you create in Microsoft Azure has to belong to a specific subscription, because that's how Microsoft charges you. They charge you at the subscription level. There are tools that shows you to show you how your cost is being allocated to different resource group or different resources, but the billing and the invoice is always going to be at the subscription level.